Today I'm gonna do my little thing. I'm gonna do corn dogs in the flaming hot Cheetos.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really...
After I did that, then this is what it turned to. Powder dust. Flaming hot Cheetos crushed up. I used some canola oil, and I have it in my deep fryer. And here's the corn dog. I'm gonna dip it in buttermilk. This is the buttermilk I use. Buttermilk, I poured it in here. The reason why I poured it in a tall glass so I can dip the corn dog in. So let's just dip it in buttermilk. And then, you know, cover it up with the hot Cheetos. Let me show you. It's not even done yet. This grease is ready. Now these are the corn dogs that have not been fried yet. Getting ready to fry them, baby. Like 1, 2. Ooh! Look. Y'all. I have it on 375. Yummy to the tummy, baby. The grease. Okay, and there you go. The finished product. Flaming hot Cheetos corn dog with a sauce I made. Let's try it. Ooh, y'all, it's hot. Oh. Oh. Add the sauce. I think that's too much sauce. Oh, good and crunchy. Good and crunchy. Oh. Oh, so good.